G90 single turning cycle. This cycle is used to reduce the diameter of the job. In this cycle, tool will be back to the starting position after cutting the workpiece, cutting the diameter. One G90 consists two G01 and two G00. Format G90XZDF. So where X tool position in X axis, Z tool position in Z axis. F feed rate of tool in mm per minute. See, usually while cutting action taking place using G00 and G01, for each cycle consists four tool movements. First G00, depth of cut. G01, tool moving horizontal direction, metal cutting take place. Then G01, again, tool moving vertical direction, metal cutting take place. Then finally one G00, tool move to initial position. G90 consists all these steps. One G90 consists all these four movements. Okay. So we have an example G90 single turning cycle. Write CNC program for given workpiece as shown below. This is the workpiece. Dimensions are given there. And we have a process plan. Plane turning, tool T1 with the required tool geometry tool and tool signature. Cutting parameter speed 200, feed 60, depth 1 mm. So we have to write the CNC program as well as we have to simulate the CNC program using cut your turn. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4. G21, G97, G98, G28, U0W0, M06T1, M03S200, M08, N01G00, X0Z1, N02 G00 X0 Z0, N03 G00 X52 Z0, N04 G90 X49 Z-50 F60. Run, rebuild. So this is a tool signature. We are using standard tool. Stock diameter 50 mm, length 70 mm. Okay. Then N05. Then X value only need to be changed. 48. N06 47. N07 46. N08 45. N09 44. N10 43. N11 42. N12 41. N30 40. N40. Okay, up to 40 we have required. So each G90 tool move in 4 steps. So we have final starting block G28 U0W0 M05 M09 M38 M10, M30. Okay. Okay.